piece of the sudarium or the face cloth of Jesus, wherein nag-adhere nag-absorb ng kanyang blood and sweat right after the crucifixion. Yung big part nito is preserved in Spain and is only brought out every 7 years. So this might be the only one in the Philippines na fragment of that.
So this comes from the during his canonization, we brought it there to be blessed by the Pope. Tapos the coral, no, of his martyrdom.
Silent witnesses.
Yeah. So tapos yung earth and sand from the place of his martyrdom, no? They are called silent witnesses of his martyrdom.
Yung bawat relic, meron siyang wax seal
Nung bishop
ng bishop
archbishop
where it came from.
that preserves the integrity of the relic itself. Pag nagalaw yon, yung tampered na siya, it's not for veneration anymore.
Lynch, ang ganda ng sinabi mo na at sa paglibot ninyo sa buong Pilipinas, I think with so many places, merong instant answered prayer nangyari, di ba? So sa nakikita nyo, like LJ, personal experience nyo pala, very short lang, ano bang challenges ang nakikita ninyo sa pagpupunta sa paglilibot ninyo in trying to steer the interest of the people sa mga relics?
Una-una po parang sa ngayon po kasi parang ang pagpinag-usapan ng Diyos parang very yung mga tao, mga aloof na. People would rather go to malls, would rather spend their time for other things. Isa po ito sa mga challenge kasi po we really offered our lives to bring about parang our response to the new evangelization. Parang ito yung share namin. So parang minsan po mahirap na maghikayat ng tao. But nonetheless, very heartwarming po yung response minsan you would see people na napapalapit sa Diyos or may mga nasasagot na prayers.
So there are times parang gusto niyo mag-give up na, parang frustration, no, lumalapit. Pero pag nakikita yung end result, kahit ilan lang siya, nakakataba ng puso, di ba? Alam mo, ang ganda ng topic natin. But anyway, LJ, do you want to give some message, share your ideas?
Siguro po, ang isa sa mga nais na realize ko nung nandito ako sa apostolate nito is yung isang saying na there's a difference between a sinner and a saint, no? A sinner has a future and a saint has a past. We should never give up. No? The Lord, God really loves us so much that He gave us so many brothers and sisters in heaven who will help us, no, in our daily struggles in life. Isa rin pong message siguro po sa atin dito, we are not alone. No, yung sinasabi natin sa creed na communion of saints, totoo po yun. Gamitin po natin yun. Dahil ang simbahan, sabi natin, is a family. And we have brothers and sisters out there who can help us in our daily struggle.
How about ikaw, Lynch?
Siguro po, nasabi niya yung challenge. Ako naman po parang lahat tayo pwede maging santo. I mean, pag po tayong ma-down kung ano man yung pinagdadaan natin, lahat tayo, meron tayong gusto ang Diyos para sa atin. And ang success, hindi lang po yan yung wealth. Tingnan natin yung mga santo. Kahit ano yung buhay nila, masaya sila. So, kumbaga, parang hindi yung aim ng aming apostolate. Lahat, we can all be saints.
Napakaganda sharing ng ating guest na dalawang kabataan po, si LJ at si Lynch, no? Nakikita natin sa kanila, andun yung kanilang passion, no? Because naintindihan nila, as long as we believe in one God, as long as we believe that God really loves us, never abandon us. Naman sabi ni LJ, di ba? Ang sinners will have a future while the saints is a past, no? So lahat po tayo ngayon ay makasalanan. Aminin po natin, nobody is perfect, pero there is hope. There is a chance for us to redeem ourselves, pero kailangan intindihin natin na in order to become a saint, the road is not very easy. Maraming thorns, maraming paliko-liko yan. Pero malinaw po ang hinihingi nila, maniwala lang po tayo. At ang number one witnesses ay yung mga weapons ng Diyos na sinasabi nila Arma Christine. 56 saints ang naka-expose dyan. So kung maintindihan mo bawat buhay na isang santo, I think you will understand why you are called to be there. No? Sana nagustuhan po ninyo ang episode namin ngayon hanggang sa muli dito po sa programa ng Power to Unite with Elvira.